Hello everyone, welcome to my video resume. Greetings employee, I am Crystel De Castro and I'd love to take a couple of minutes to tell you why hiring me as your bookkeeper will benefit your organization. I am a 19 years old student in Pamantasan ng Pasig, currently taking my bachelor's degree in entrepreneurship. I am passionate, creative, well-organized, and have leadership skills. My coursework has provided me with a strong foundation in daily accounting tasks, as I already studied financial reporting, general ledger entries, record payments, and adjustments. Despite being a full-time student, I invested my free time doing part-time businesses to gain more knowledge and experience such as customer service, marketing, accounting, and brainstorming in almost 2 years. I am capable of using Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Filmora, Canva, and Figma. I am also interested in creative works like editing, designing, vlogging, and photography. I am seeking an opportunity to leverage my talent as your employee. If you are interested in hiring me, you can always reach me with my phone number or email. Thank you for your time and I hope to see you again.